Hey there, Stephen Pegg from Loves to Travel. Thanks for checking out our videos. Always appreciate when you watch what we do. In Orlando right now at the Marriott Cypress Harbour. What do they call this? A timeshare resort?
It is a timeshare, plus you can stay here on timeshare. You can also stay here on Marriott points, and you can also pay cash.
Yeah, pay cash. Yeah, you're going to get a better deal with points or with timeshare. This is a really, really nice two-bedroom apartment, and I can't wait to show it all to you. Where do you want to start? Oh, before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button below if you've not already done so. Hit that bell notification button below as well. That'll let you know when our next video pops up. And please hit the like button. Helps us out immensely. Where do you want to start?
Well, we're coming in the entrance area, and we could look at the laundry room.
Yeah, right off the bat, you've got a full-size washer and dryer. And you've also got your ironing board, your iron, laundry basket. You've got your recycling bin. They give you some Tide laundry soap. You can ask for more if you need it. They also have a vacuum cleaner in here if you need to clean up just a little bit. But there's a fire extinguisher behind the door as well. But I do like the full-size washer and dryer. That does come in handy. So we're inside the door. We've gone by the laundry room. Let's walk in and check out the rest of this place. You want to start in the living room and then go to the bedrooms?
Yes, we always start the living room area.
Got a dining room table with 4 chairs, actually 5 chairs, 6 chairs because there's one on a desk over there. So yeah, you can seat 6 at the dining room table. So you've got 4 at the table right now, 1 off to the side, and then 1 on the desk. They also have seating for 3 bar seats. So there's plenty of room for people to sit and eat. You also have the desk. They've got one of the dining room chairs at the desk, so there's a desk for you to work at with an outlet on the side of the lamp. I don't know if there's a USB on that. Sometimes there is. No, there's not. But there is an outlet on the side of the lamp. And then you come into the living room area itself. You've got basically a love seat and a full-size couch, which is a pull-out, mind you. I wonder if the love seat's a pull-out. The small sofa, is that a pull-out too?
We could take a look. This is supposed to sleep 8. So
I don't know if this is a pull-out or not.
I don't think so. That is not.
No, that's not, but this is a pull-out. Yeah, that's a pull-out.
So
this one is a pull-out queen. This is just a regular sofa. You've got footstools, and I do like the fact that, well, this one anyway, you can flip it over. I believe this one you can too. It's just a case of getting it out. Yep. And you can, like, that way you can put your drink on it and not spill your drink, which I do like. And it does have a side chair. 2 side tables. Both the lights on the side tables have outlets, not USB, but just regular outlets, so you can plug a charger in if you need. What about the artwork? Do you like the artwork?
The artwork is neutral.
Yeah, they do have some artwork on here. The TV, to be honest, I mean, you know me and TVs. I like the bigger the better. This is actually a pretty large TV, but you look at the size of the wall, they could have gone bigger. I don't know if they have any more DVD players. No.
They have drawers though.
No. However, one thing I will say, they do have an HDMI connection for the TV, so you can plug your own devices into the TV if you bring your own device, which is actually, and instructions on how to use it, mind you. So you can plug your own devices in if you want to. You want to go to the bedroom?
Yep.
Which one? Master or second?
Master bedroom or primary bedroom.
Let's go to the primary. This, I mean, it is a really nice 2-bedroom apartment. I do like this. I will say that. This is very well set up in here. King-size bed, 2 side tables, 2 lamps, both with plugs on the lamps to be able to plug things in. Side table with drawers. They do have a side chair with a footstool. Great view, by the way, out the window. We'll go out on the patio in just a second here. You come over here, you've got a full-size dresser. Again, TV could be larger, but that's just me. That's actually a pretty good size for this. You do use pool towels. There's no towels at the pool. You have your own pool towels in your room, so you need to take your towels to the pool with you and bring them back.
And a charge might be assessed for missing towels.
Yes, they will charge you. Plenty of drawer space, mind you, so that should be fine. You come in here to the bathroom. Nobody uses these anymore for the most part. As far as I know, they're here. I don't know anybody that's used them. I've talked to people that have, but not in a long time. The glass blocks, definitely old style.
So this is very dated. If you've seen our Marriott Grand Vista video, they started to get rid of the tubs. The tub is still in here. This actually needs a good remodel and get rid of the tub or open it up or change the shower out. In the Grand Vista, this was turned into a full-size shower area. So,
which is absolutely gorgeous. The glass block is so 70-ish. They do have a double sink, so there is a double sinks here with a makeup mirror on the side. And I know a lot of people like the makeup mirrors here that be able to get the concave and the convex.
so let's see what they supply underneath here.
There's your hair dryer, hon.
Hair dryer, and there should be extra toilet paper and towels there.
Yep. So you have towels and toilet paper there. Soap and Kleenex, and what is that, hand lotion? They give you some hand lotion as well. This is the control for the tub, which is way over here. So again, you don't even talk to me about it. It's so dated. Going to the bathroom, again.
Not a very big area.
No, and the shower is here, which is somewhat inconvenient, to be honest with you. Because if you're taking a shower and somebody has to go to the bathroom, yeah, which is why a lot of places are separating those. I will do the shower test. This is actually a really, really small, tight shower, and it is low. You know, it works for me, but I got to duck a little bit. But it's a very small shower. So again, what was the Marriott Grand Vista that we were at?
Yeah, that's actually our favorite of the Marriott properties.
They've redone all of this and gotten rid of all of this. So, but this is your toilet and your shower area, your closet, luggage rack, extra blankets for the pull-out for the hide sofa. There's your safe there. I wish I'd have been the guy that invented those safes. They must make a fortune. They're in every hotel room I've ever been in. So, I wish I had the patent on that, to be honest with you. You ready to walk down to the second bedroom?
Yep. Oh, you wanted to do the outside first.
Oh, yeah, we're on this side, so let's go outside real quick. You do have a patio, and it is screened in, mind you. I like the fact that it's screened in. Because you're in Florida, and the problem with Florida is bugs, and especially in the summertime, and you're all screened in. There is, I will say, no smoking on your patios. So, and they will charge you a cleaning fee if they catch you smoking out here. Ceiling fan to kind of stir the air on a hot summer humid night with a light. So if you want to sit out here and play cards on a nice night, which we've done before.
I like the seats. If you want to try to sit and show them how big they are, they're actually a good size.
Yeah, they're not those little tiny cheap seats that you sometimes get. What do they call those? Adirondack
No, they're
chairs.
just like folding chairs.
The plastic chairs.
Yeah.
So yeah, good size seats with armrests. So this is a good place to sit out here and play cards on it. And beautiful day today, mind you.
So we are in Building 66. We're next to like, what is that? It's a cornhole.
Either cornhole. Well, that's cornhole down there, but we're near tennis courts and pickleball.
Yeah, and then also down there is a fire pit.
Yep.
And we're not that far from, like Steve said, tennis court or pickleball.
Yep.
And then what's going on next door is they're actually building new housing next door.
Yeah, I think those are townhouses.
Yeah, that's being for sale, but those are brand new housing that's being built. So you may have some construction noise outside this unit during the day as they're building that. Till
it's done. Let's get on to the second bedroom. So here's the second bedroom that you've got in here, and it's got a queen-size bed. Come on in. Queen size bed, again with lights, side tables. The lights both have outlets on them, so you can use them to plug your chargers in. Dresser, television, which is actually the only place you can put it in this place. More pool towels. You've got your dresser, also your closet, because I think
that is a sleeper sofa.
Sleeper sofa.
So you can sleep 2 and 4 in here. It's going to be tight once this is pulled out.
But you can.
Yes.
So you've got 4. You've got 2 in the
living room.
Yeah, 2. Yeah, you're right. 8. 2 in the living room, 2 in the master bedroom, and then 4 here. So you can sleep 8 easily.
So this has actually one of those doors. If I could get that to open there.
Oh, it's got a pocket door.
Pocket door.
Pocket door.
Pocket door.
Yeah.
So that will close to hide all your luggage.
Yep. So it's actually not bad. I mean, this is actually a really convenient, really nice room. The only thing I don't like about this is that in the primary bathroom, they do need to redo that and bring it up to speed.
The one thing I like about this room is actually you can shut it off for privacy as its own.
Mm-hmm.
Like this can be like private, so you can like basically have your own private second master
Really?
because of the bathroom.
Mm-hmm.
So this bathroom has this door, so you can shut that.
Yeah, there's plenty of different variations of being able to do it. You can shut this door and just have the bedroom shut off. You can shut this door and have the bedroom and the bathroom shut off. However you want to do it. In this secondary bathroom, you've got just a single sink, shower, tub, and then the toilet combined all into one room. And I will say that the shower head is actually higher than the one that's in the main bedroom. So even though it's going to be tighter this way, this is going to be higher for tall people. And there is a closet back here, I believe. Yeah, the lockout closet for the cleaning is back here. So not bad. What do you think?
And that it's pretty cool. Let me see what's underneath. And it's more toiletries, like more.
Yeah, toiletry, paper towels. Not paper towels, but toilet paper, Kleenex, and your
More
towels.
More and a hair dryer.
Yep.
And they do have the pumps. That is part of the eco-friendly soap pumps.
Yeah, most of the timeshares have gotten rid of the individuals and have gone to the pumps that are on the side.
So the brand is Soapbox. So this is, they also have dual flush toilets. What the dual flush is, you do one for number 1, 2, if you press 2 down for number 2.
Yeah. There's a comment that I saw in one of them. If it's yellow, 1. If it's brown, 2.
Ha ha ha.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Now, kitchen.
It's a kind of a smallish kitchen. Don't get me wrong. Most of these are kind of small. But this one is a little tight. But it's functional, very functional. A dishwasher, coffee maker, toaster, paper towels, sink. And I do like the fact that a lot of the timeshares you see don't have the sprayers or the double sinks. This one does. Underneath you've got dish rack, laundry soap, dishwasher soap, scrubby, paper towels, your trash can. What do they have over here?
Oh, they have tea, coffee, and then sugar and creamer.
Then they've got your knife set back there with a cutting board. We'll go through the cupboards here.
Ooh, salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper. Yeah. A lot of places don't have that anymore. A salad mixing bowl. What do they got here? Oh, there's your, oh, look at the yellow.
Oh, the Fiesta ware. So this is the old-fashioned Fiesta ware.
Yep.
Boy, this is like dated.
Again, 70-ish.
But you know,
Functional.
trends are coming in.
Functional.
Trends are coming back.
Yep, all your silverware. And you've got your, should be pots and pans under here.
Ooh.
Nope, mixing bowl, measuring bowl.
Well, I like that.
So, and it does have a teapot, honey. Bet you there's nothing up there. How much?
There's nothing up there?
Wasted space. Microwave, newer microwave.
Well, we always like to see how the stove, how old it is by how clean the stove
Oh,
is.
this one's clean.
Oh, it's cleaner than I expected. There's some spillage at the side, so
Yeah,
it's not cleaned off.
But it's very clean, actually.
Yep.
This is actually a warming. A lot of people store things under here. This is warm. This is actually a warming, and then it's broken too, by the way. All your accoutrements for cooking with, spatulas, serving spoons, slotted spoons, so on and so forth. Here's all your glassware, including the plasticware that you want to use on your deck. And what did I say down here? This should be pots and pans finally.
Yep.
No non-stick, honey.
Nope, non-stick.
I know you like the non-stick. You got your fridge here, ice maker. I had somebody, I mentioned in one of my videos that they always leave this empty and you have to restart it to get ice. If you come in and you find it full of ice, dump it and then restart it. Not because there's anything wrong with it, just because it may have been sitting there for quite some time. More bowls, coasters are here. And then under here is colander big measuring bowl, and then some Tupperware. And there's a pitcher. You know what I don't see here? I don't see a blender.
Is it over here?
I don't see a blender. No, it's a coffee maker. I do not see a blender. Here's your dishwasher, by the way, if you want to look at the dishwasher. And yeah, it's an older one, but it's very clean, very functional. So not a bad room. What do you think?
It's really nice we're staying here for a week.
Yeah, the only thing I don't like about it, again, is the master bathroom needs to be updated like it did in that one video that we did. But other than that, it's completely functional and extremely nice. This is something that it's kind of worth staying at. Thanks for watching this video. Always appreciate when you check out what we do. Hit that subscribe button below if you've not done so. Get the bell notification button below as well. That'll let you know when our next video pops up. Could be anytime. And please hit the like button. Helps us out. Thanks for watching. Have a magical day.